In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and edit staff time entries in Xero Projects. Let's start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you're in, look to the top navigation menu and click Projects. From the drop-down, choose Staff Time Overview. This takes you to a central hub where you can see every recorded time entry across your team, making it easy to monitor activity and ensure your records are accurate. On this page, you'll see all staff time entries laid out in a list. Take a moment to review the tracked hours for each staff member. This gives you a quick sense of workload and helps you spot anything unusual, like unusually long entries or missing time. Alongside each entry, check the project name and the specific task it's linked to. This context is crucial for confirming that the time is being attributed to the correct work. Next, pay attention to the billable and non-billable status of each entry. Billable hours feed into your invoicing and revenue, while non-billable hours reflect internal or complementary work. Make sure the status lines up with your policies, because getting this wrong can impact both client billing and internal reporting. Use the filters at the top of the page to find specific entries faster. You can filter by staff member, project, task, billable status, or date range. This is especially handy when you're preparing an invoice, investigating a variance, or reviewing a single person's timesheet for a given week. Check the dates and durations on the entries. Confirm that the date aligns with when the work happened, and that the duration looks reasonable for the task. This is a simple way to catch typos or misclicks before they affect reports. Now, review the total tracked time. You'll typically see a summary that aggregates hours across your current view or filter selection. This helps you understand overall effort for a project or a period without crunching numbers manually. If something looks off, open a time entry to edit its details. Click into the entry and adjust fields like the date, duration, notes, the associated project and task, or whether it's billable. Keep your changes consistent with your policies, and remember that edits may affect reports and any draft invoices. When you're satisfied, save your changes to update the record. That's it. By navigating to the Staff Time Overview, applying filters, reviewing billable status, checking dates and durations, and editing entries when needed, you'll keep your team's time tracking clean, accurate, and ready for reliable reporting and billing.